Hi, I'm Raymond Jacinto. I'm a physician assistant.
My name is Dr. James Thompson. Been in the allergy practice for 31 years.
What is mRNA?
mRNA is messenger ribonucleic acid. It is a single-stranded genetic sequence that is read by ribosomes to make proteins. The way I like to think of this is mRNA is a set of instructions, building instructions, to be more specific. And these building instructions tell the cell what to make.
What's an mRNA vaccine?
When it comes to COVID-19 vaccines, the instruction is to make spike proteins, which are found on COVID-19. This spike protein will then make the immune system turn on and make antibodies. These antibodies are then used for future infections if you were to acquire COVID-19.
Do mRNA vaccines actually change your DNA?
Messenger RNA vaccines do not change your DNA because they don't go anywhere near your DNA. They hang out just in the cytoplasm where these structures called ribosomes are located. And these ribosomes are like chefs. They take the recipe, which is the messenger RNA, and they make only spike protein. The spike protein is what sits on the surface of these viruses, and that is how the virus attaches to the cells. But it's also the spike protein that is the target for just about all the vaccines that are coming out. And that spike protein is crucial because when they make it, it's made in a way it can be presented to our immune system, so our immune system can be ready the next time it senses any spike protein. It pounces on it with antibodies and other cells that are active to go against it and get rid of it.
Do you think the vaccines were created too quickly?
The COVID vaccines were not developed too quickly. They abided by the standards set by the FDA, which advised that there be 2 months of safety data.
Do we know much about who was involved in the clinical trials?
The Moderna had 30,000 people in it that were in the study, and the Pfizer group had 40,000. So we have 70,000 people in 2 different studies. Both Pfizer and Moderna had somewhere around between 9, almost 10% of minorities, and they had diverse age groups. Some people over 65, some younger people. In the case of Pfizer, down to age 16. In the case of Moderna, down to age 18. They had people of various socioeconomic levels, and we know that administrator-wise that there are people of color that sit on the advisory committee to the FDA.
Will I get COVID-19 if I get the vaccine?
So the vaccine gives instructions to make COVID-19 spike proteins only. It's only a part of the virus and not the full virus. So it's actually not possible to get COVID-19 from the vaccine itself.